Moy?
Opo, pinsan ko po.
Oh, pinsan pala.
Isang buo ko po.
Kaya ba natanong sa akin?
namin si...
Talaga po?
tayo ba?
For 3, 2, nothing.
Magkapatid po yung tatay niya, tatay.
Po yan yan.
Sorry, I was
Iba
not
si Moy si...
Sir Darren? Nasa Pilipinas.
Yes, sir.
Yung ate niya nakasama.
Di ba?
Opo, opo. Ano po pangalan niya?
Device 21 to 6.
Severa.
Glenn?
Number 20. For 3, yes.
For KQ?
Umani. 14 to shoot. Nice pass. Ibang number 4. Severa. 15 to shoot.
Ayaw.
Number 20. Pass number 4. Good. 5 to shoot.
Mostly.
Foul. Number 3 shots. Monster. First.
Bakit si Frank? Ayaw ka naman eh.
Banyak.
Yan yun naman
Number
ang
3,
pangalan.
Number 5 ang salud. Severa. Severa. Dito ka. Foul. Number 04.
Hindi pa nag-overtime.
Umani.
Grabe rin dyan.
Paso number 1.
Ay, ikaw naman. Score mo lahat yun.
For 3. Strong. Rebound by Severa. Severa. Ebon. Severa. Severa to number 20. Paso ng salud. Uy! Grabe, 30%. There's a foul. 33. Bruce.
First attempt, basket. Last throw, complete 2 points by number 1. Amanya setting up the pace with Jay Stone. Fires for 2. No good rebound by number 4. Biboa. Sophia leading the ball to number 04, Biboa. Back to John. 15 to shoot. Pass to Jay. Back to Monsalud. To Sophia. 8 to shoot. Sophia, no good. Rebound by number 3, Reese. Stolen by number 20, Jay Jewell. Ethan fires for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Soft ball. Omanda pass stolen by John, number 29. Steal by John. To Ethan, libre sa 3. Basket. Time out! Sorry. Proceed.
Hey!
Resume the ball game. Stepping up to play, Omania, number 14. Pass to number 1, Delo. Easy ball, out of bounds. Tuliboa, almost done. Yulo for 3. No good. Rebound by Monsalvo. Foul number 5, Jason. 13 foul. No good. That's it. So Fiera, in and out. Rebound by Hart. Number 33, Omania. Setting at the place, Omania.
Huwag natin pangarapin yung ano.
12 to shoot. J-Snow spins. Clark spins. No good. Rebound by J-Snow. Blocked by Sopera. Get out of here. Serving John. 12 to shoot. Darren is fouling the ball. Pass to Chris. Foul time, number 1. One salute, foul. Reset lineup to 14. 2 shots by number 3.
Second, nag-umpisa. Kasi dun pumasok na.
First attempt. No good.
Di natin take.
Last one is this basket.
Hindi rin sila pala sa pagbaba ng bola.
Inbound by the ball. Number 39 ball.
Maganda yung sino yung mga ikaw?
Number 20. To Monsalud. To the ball. To Monsalud. Takes for 2. Fires for 2. Basket. Monsalud 2 points. Getting sa Omania, screen by Jason, pass to Nelio. Then guarded by number 29. Double team by number 7, foul time. Number 7, Ethan Chu, foul. 13 fouls. Omania drives. Pass to number 1, Delo. Lost the ball, stopped by Riboa. Steal by Riboa. To John. Back to Ethan for 3. 2, 3 points. Omania. Pass for 2. No good. Rebound by number 1. Monsalud. Official score natin 14. 3. In favor of Easy Boys. Easy Titans. The ball face up. Rebound by Tampa Cruz. High ground. Same ball time. 14 12 to shoot. Monsalud. No good. Grabe yung tumibot ko sa Tumana almost out bound. Titans ball. One minute 31. Traveling that, traveling. Time out. ECE Titans. Time remaining in the first quarter. 1 minute and 95 seconds. 11 points difference.
Sabihin lang, tanggalin mo sila yun. Malakas lahat. Ganun na yung wala.
Screen by Marcus. Pass to Delio. Back to go. Nice play by Sophie. Last score then. Last 1 minute. Julo. Pass by number 1. Pass to Limoa. Back. Pass to Mosalud. Screen space. Foul. Foul number 33.
Ang tagas ba? Dito rin, laro yun.
Warning for penalty style. Second personal foul on Marcus. Monsalud. Basket. Last shot tayo sa aming coach. Screen by Marcus. Back to stolen by Monsalud and Jay. Pagkinas next time. Yan, buti na lang. Kita 2 for 3. Lacking. Nagdating mabigay. Back to zero. End of the first quarter. Official score natin. 15-5. ECE Titans.
Lalo yun.
Wednesday or Friday ka.
Bukas natin yung magkano.
Kasi meron kami isang coordination.
Maganda kita sa iwan din natin.
Sige. Yung taong araw sa Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Kaya rin na laro. Sabihin mo na lang yung bola sa kaya para siya. Basta tayo mga tayo set tayo ng pagbaba. Pero okay tayong nakakita natin. At saka pag kaya nag-stop sa ng pagmamahal kasi hindi na natin ball. At saka ito lang sa atin. Tawid lang na tayo. Wala nang pagdating doon. Kasi yung ano lang dito, tatagal ka dito yung problema, di ba? Pagkatawid, nag-dribble ka, didikit ka talaga sa akin. So dapat siguro importante sa lang nasa basura ka din. Kaya sabihin mo ganun, mahirap magbaba ng bola ng may depensa. Kasi lalo wala tayong system. Kasi yung pagbaba lang ng bola, mas may nakaganon pa sa'yo.
Second quarter.
Pagka-rebound, kung
ECE
parang
Titans versus Team Sophie.
pumunta sa kabila. Hirap.
Sudelio. Guarded by Alonte. Grabe si Alonte. Inbound by Alonte to number 18. Niquinto. To Cruz. Rafael. Back to Niquinto to Denzo. Welcome sa CBL, Mr. Denzo. Alonte, nakita si Leo sa ilalim. To Denzo, plays for 3. Drives. Pass to Alonte. 6 to shoot. Rebound by number 1, Delio. Delio nagpapadali. Delio, lays up. No good. Back by number 6. Same ball tayo. Shoutout sa mga nanonood sa taas. Huwag po kayo magsisikan dyan. Baka nagsisiksikan kayo dyan. Mas tamik kayo tamik. Number 1, Delio to EJ. Guarded by Niquinto. Screen by number 24 for ECE Basket. No good. What a rebound by number 6 Alonte. Guarded by EJ. Pass by number 13. Pass to number 23. Denso to Niquinto. To Alonte. 10 to shoot. Niquinto to Alonte. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound by Jake. Good pass out by Jake Cruz. To Delio. Cruz, 3 points. blocking foul. Saan muna tayo sa? Aray ko sa cheese.
Wala!
DJ Arias to Cruz to De Leon, pass to Abad, back to Ignacio to number 34, stolen by number 6, Reese, Rafael, Felix, lays up, easy basket by number 6, Rafael Cruz, Ignacio to EJ Felix, pass to Abad, pass to Ignacio. Out of bounds. Easy Titans ball. Time remaining 7 minutes. Official score after 17-8. Denzel. Screen by Rafael. To Rafael. Takes 3 seconds violation. Number 12, pass to TJ, number 13. TJ drives, pass to foul. Foul muna tayo. Denzel. 23 left. Albers. 23 foul. Second team foul tayo. Malayo pa sa malayo. De Leon awarded 2 free throws. First attempt, no good. Last attempt by De Leon. Top by Ignacio, stolen by number 23 Denzel Rafael for easy 2 points. Timeout! Team Solid. Score number 98. Time remaining 5 minutes, 42 of the second quarter. Shoutout sa mga punta. Welcome to CBL Season 7. Wala pang points si Isa na siya. TJ Cruz, number 12. Go back to Ignacio. Pass to number 12. 10 to shoot. Stolen. Cruz pass to Ignacio. Pass to Abad. Basket. Number 77. 2 points. Denzel. To Alonde, takes the 3. Alonde crosses over. Foul muna tayo. Number 6. Mahina sa sign ref. Negrito, guarded by Cruz. Back to Reese, perimeter shooter ng ECE. Wala, rebound by number 77, stolen by Salazar. Bakit yung pinestop to? May magbayabang na naman mamaya. Umiiling na naman, parang Indian. 12 to shoot. Eugene, pass to Art, pass to number 24, supply. Rebound by Alonde, number 6. Tony Quinto, number 6. Pass to Narwood, rebound by number 6. Tony Quinto to Denzel. 12 to shoot. Negrito, setting up the play. 8 to shoot. Alonde, no good. Rebound by number 8, Ignacio. Number 12, dribbling the ball. De Leon, number 24 to number 77, takes the left, reverse, no good. Rebound by EJ number 13 for easy 2 points. 21-12, 9 points difference. Twelve to shoot. Denso. Naharangan. Negrito. 7 to shoot. Alonte fires. Basket. Number 6, 2 points. Assist by Salazar. Abad. Guarded by number 6, Alonte. Pass to EJ, number 13. Number 13, drives, stays, pass. Stolen by. Out of bounds. Titans ball. Negrito, to Denzel. Back to Negrito. Negrito for 3. No good. But rebound number 77. Bruce EJ's. Assist kaya? Yes sir. EJ number 13, 2 points. Assist by number 12, JP Cruz. Alonte drives. Basket. Grabe na daw ni Alonte. JP to number 24. To Cruz. To giving up to EJ for 2 points. Basket. EJ. Number 13. Pass to Negrito, point guard of Titans. Back to number 20, Denzo. To Leon, Salazar spins, Salazar! Jump ball tayo, jump ball. Wala nang foul. Nagreklamo ng man, mga kaibigan. Whose ball tayo? Black or black ball sa arrow, black ball. Any ball? Start time na tayo. Wait lang. Okay. Clear mo na, clear. Clear mo na, clear. Okay, white ball tayo, white ball. Last quarter sa soccer. Ay, Alonte, assist by Denzel, no good. Rebound by JP. Gumagapon si JP. Denzel, first basket. Wala pa rin. Yung mga bukas si number 20. JP driving. JP spins. Pass to De Leon. Nice assist by number 12. JP gives to De Leon for 3 points. 1 minute tayo. Time remaining. 25-18. 7 points difference na. Negrito. Back to Alonte. Titira yan. Got it. There to shoot. Negrito. Lays up. Number 5 by Salazar. Stepping on the line. Out of bounds. 38 seconds na lang po ang nalalapin sa oras. $30 Aba! No good! Rebound by Alonte. Shot clock wala na. Reese. To Negrito. No good. Top by Negrito. Rebound by Cruz. To Ignacio. 12 to shoot. EJ. Foul wala. Alonte. Number 2 pala. Number 2. Foul si Salazar. And that's the second quarter.
Okay daw? Magbihis ka na. I lost my first goal.
Dati siya, finisher siya. Dati Jake foul. Dati foul. Kaya kasi remote sila. Hindi kasi masa ko doon.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. It goes to Omana. EJ Nabible. Easy basket. 2 points by EJ, number 13. John to Jay for 3. Short. Rebound by Musalud. 2 points by Musalud. Gusto-gustong talaga ng bata ito. Mga follow-up ang loob. 27-22 lang. 5 points difference lang. Art loose, pass to EJ. Grabe pa yung sa number 1, EJ. Pass to Omana. 5 to shoot, EJ. Tutunog na lang po ang buzzer. Art loose, wala. Reset tayo sa 14. Follow by EJ. Snow. Di pa by Sapia. J. Number 22. Monsalud. Monsalud. Back to you, number 20 for 3. Yuno. Coming up on 3 points. The pride of Ilonggo. Number 20, Jade. Yuno. Picaron can hit. Yuno. 7 to shoot. Reset that rebound by number 20. To John Sofia. Pass to Itan, libre sa 3 points. In and out. Rebound by number 20. Foul. Number 20, Jay Julo. Dati ka pala daw gymnastics. Omana, to number 3. 3J, gotta be number 1. Back to number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound by Lisboa. 0-4. Pass to Ethan. Shoot. 10 to shoot. Yuno from Ilonggo City. 3 points. Nice shot by Jake Yuno. Kailangan ko kasi sabihin ng Picaron ka git. Foul, traveling violation. Dito po tayo. Sabi ni Sir Pere, sabo na tayo, sir. Sayang, nakashoot ka naman ko po. Sinabay na naman natin sa deck, stop. Time out. Ang nakashoot, time out ka. Musalud, stolen by De Leon. Ay, by Snow pala, by Snow. Stolen by Jay Snow. Omana, blocked by Nick Guento. Napalakas ang pasa, out of bounds. Time out. Sub lang, sub. Pag na-shoot lang daw, time. Sub muna tayo, make push out.
Left.
Ali, number 3 out. Good. Art loose. Rebound. To Omana. Guy number 7-2. To JP. To Omana. Omana fires for 2. Wala. Tap by Musalud. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Tap by Musalud. Dalawa kayo dyan. 14 tayo. 14. Art! No good. Rebound. 5 minutes and 46. Musalud. Foul tayo. JP number 12. Down. Number 12, foul. Team Sub. Timeout!
Muntik na kami makachamba. Sayang.
Kuya kasi.
Ano ba kasi na? Hindi pala kasi. Ngabo ng taguro. Alam ko pala.
Time remaining to third quarter, 5 minutes and 32. Score natin 33-22 in favor of
Okay, dalawa dapat eh.
bonus shot tayo. Favor of Easy Titans. Walang basket tayo. Down and down. Inbound. By Nicola.
Eh, kaya lang binibig ko parang sabi, parang pinatangtad eh.
Aliu to Nicola. What an alley by Nick Quinto. Assist by Nick Quinto. Then the number 1 Marcus back to number 1 for 3. Wala. No good prospect to Ethan. Layup yes, Ethan. Yes, sir. Layup for Ethan, 2 points.
Last five.
TJ, double team to Daniel for 3. Wala pa rin. Nakapunta si number 1. Given by number 13 to TJ. Wala pa rin. Given by Jay Snow, reverse basket. Jay number 4, number 5. Rebound one to number 20. Kevin Pinto. 12 to shoot. Nice pass from Sanol. For easy 2 points. Nice assist by number 7. Parehas ng 3 ang dalawang team. There pass to Luz. EJ drives. EJ foul aisle. Number 20. Substitution. Substitution. Along the in. Cruz out. 15 points difference. EJ first basket. First attempt. Basket.
Dami na ito nabubuhat eh. Coach.
Time remaining natin 3 minutes and 37. Complete 2 points. Number 13. Top by 29. Number 29 shooting the ball. Pass for 3. Short. Rebound by number 5. Jay Snow. They serve now. Daniel. Rebound by number 5. To EJ. Basket 2 points. Titans. Score natin 39-28. Time remaining 3 minutes. Ang totoo pa 7-9. Vito, man-to-man defense. To Denson. To allow them. To number 6. One pass. No good. One by Jason, number 5. To Gideon to number 1. Jimmy back to number 1. Drives. Foul muna number 6. Luz, Rafael. Third team foul. Rebound to Quinto. Pass break to number 6. Fakes. Pass. No good. Rebound by Quinto. Jay. Nagdadala ng bola. To Abad. Top by Salazar. Start by Salazar. Along there to Denso. Denso, pass to Quinto. Alonte ni Tirayan. Alonte! 3 points! One minute and 43 seconds. Daniel for 3. Papauliin, hindi. Rebound by number 6. Rafael. Tumiquito. Denzel ang level ng bola. Guarded by number 1. To Alonte. Pass for 3. Back-to-back 3 points by Alonte. Second one back. Fifteen to shoot. Then number 1. Pass to Erickson for 3. No good. Rebound by Alonte. Pass to Niquito. Pass to Denzel. Substitution rep. Pass on to number 3. Number 12 Chris out.
Check.
17.
Dog, may ice ka?
Ay, sorry, wala na sa top. 8 to shoot.
Dog, may yelo kayo, yelo.
So, wala na lang. Sorry po. Last 2 seconds na tayo.
Dog, yelo na, yelo.
End of the third quarter. Back to the ball game. Welcome to the fourth quarter of the game number 3, CBL Season 7. Pass off now to Nino. Rafael to number 23, to Alonte. Alonte drives up EJ's. Alonte spins. Double dribble fire. Omanya. Setting up the base, Omanya. Omanya, 14 shoot. Basket. Omanya, 2 points. To Alonte. Screen and out, something goes stop. Stolen by Artus to VJ. Foul. Nice foul by number 23. Veteran talaga si Denzel. 23 foul. First team foul. 9 minutes. Artus sa gitna. No! Yes sir, 2 points. Number 33, 2 points. Alonte, nag-uubos ng oras. To Denzel. Man-to-man defense. 10 to shoot. Salazar spins. Salazar! No good. 33 rebound. To EJ. This is 2 points to EJ. Yeah. Basket. Jake. 9 to shoot. Rafael to Denzel. 5 to shoot. Denzel using the glass. Basket. Nakabundas din si Denzel. to EJ. Drives. 2 points by EJ. 7 minutes 40. Unlocking to number 6. Rafael Denso. Rafael to Denso. Pass to Yulo for 3. No good. 3 points by Salazar. Follow up. 2 points by Salazar. Pass back to EJ. 2. Foul number 2. Basket counted for number 3. Substitution left.
I should come and teach you guys how
Substitution
to
left.
play
Out
some
Denso.
drama is
Number 4 in Orleans. Sapiani. Number 6 out.
No weekends!
Second team foul. Second personal foul in Salazar. John Sapiera, Monsadud, foul tayo. Art Cruz, number 33, blocking foul. Yes. Third personal foul in Cruz, Art. 14 to shoot. McQueen to number 1. Guarded by number 8, Monsadud. Ang galing talaga ng back ito. Rebound pa rin ng Monsadud. Number 8, Ignacio foul. Sipag talaga substitution left. Pwede ba? So, hindi ko nabigyan bola. Sige, good. Ignacio out. Number 5, Jason in. Bonus free throw by number 1, Monsadud. No good. Rebound by Ribola. Follow up. Basket. Ribola rebounded 2 points. Jason Omanya. There to shoot. Omanya for 2. Wala talaga. Rebound by Jay Omanya for 2. Basket. Number 14, 2 points. Jump to Ribola. Ayun. Dinamika. Number 29, Aliu to Ribola. Easy 2 points. Assist by number 29. 1 assist by number 29. Omanya. Omanya got it by number 29. Spins to number 3 for 3 points. Bang! Number 3 with 3 points. 4 minutes 38. 14 to shoot. Nakawala si Jao. Tapay DJ. Still by DJ, number 13. DJ pass to Arcus. Oh, nawala. Niquito to number 29. Number 29 to Ribola. 2 points. 29 assists. Ribola number 04, 2 points. Omanya. 4 minutes time remaining. Omanya short. Patas talaga ang shot ngayon. Well, time out tayo mag-shoot. Advance time out. Team soccer. John, fires for 3. Basket! Stop. They win the 3 points. Alawa. Time remaining natin. 3 minutes 45. 59-45. 14 points lead by EC Titans.
Tulog na.
Resume the ball game.
Wala ka dyan.
Official score natin 16-43. EJ, 2 points. EJ. Number 13, 2 points. To Ju, stolen by number 5, Jesco. To JP. JP, pass to number 24, 2 points. Sabrina inbound to number 1, who's the loot. Number 29, 14 to shoot.
Kasama ko, tumukot na. Tinisigaw ko.
5 to shoot. Ibola, 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 5, Jesco. Foul. Number 29, Sabrina. 13 foul tayo. 2 minutes 39. Number 3, screen. For 3, no good. Rebound by Jay Snow, follow up. Black by Quinto. Sub tayo, substitution left. Pasok, pasok. Pasok kung may sasab. Sige, number 16. 12 to shoot tayo, 12. EJ drives, EJ lays up. Basket, number 13. Sabriana guarded by number 3. To number 6. Last 2 minutes. Shot. Foul. Number 13. EJ, foul. Two shots awarded to number 04, Big Boba. First attempt, in and out. Last attempt in number 4, Big Boba. Basket, 1.4 Riboa. EJ, nagkanda na ng bola. Pass to Riz. Ay, Riz na. No good. The ball rebound. Pass to Monsalud. Wasting the time is John. Pass to Niquito. Guarded by number 3. There to shoot. Monsalud drives. Monsalud. Foul. Number 13. EJ Arias. Warning for penalty time. 2 free throws awarded to Monsalud out of shooting. Time remaining 1 minute 28. First attempt, no good. Monsalud, second try. Short, rebound by Ribola, Panwa. Yeah, Ribola. Rebound by number 4 and 2 points for number 04. EJ guarded by number 6. EJ pass to number 12 for 3 short. Rebound by number 6. Stolen by number 5, Jay Snow. Pass to Riz for 3 short. Pagod na si Riz. Pass back to Niquito. Ubus oras na sa aming inyo. 15 to shoot. Monsalud for easy defense. Time remaining 49 seconds. EJ for easy basket. Assist by number 12, JP Cruz to number 13. To number 29. Pass to number 18 to Riboa. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ubusin ang oras si John. Shot clock violation, EPC. 14 seconds time remaining. Inbound by number 3 to Jay Snow, number 5 to EJ. EJ drives. Pull up, no sir. Rebound by Cruz, JP. JP, no good pa rin. Rebound by Riboa to